Hi everyone! Today I'll show you how to make a grid in Adobe Photoshop. Let's get started. To display a grid on your canvas, go to the menu bar and select View, then Show, then Grid. Let's customize the grid. Go to Edit, then Preferences, then Guides, Grid, and Slices. In the Preferences window, find the Grid section. Adjust the grid line every setting to set the distance between major grid lines, choosing your preferred unit of measurement. Set the number of subdivisions between each major grid line in the subdivision setting. Choose a color for the grid lines in the Color section, and the style in the drop-down menu to its right. Click OK to apply your changes. Quickly toggle the grid on and off by pressing Ctrl and apostrophe. And that's it! You've successfully created and customized a grid in Photoshop. If you found this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We're eager to hear from you.